perfect. Oh. It sits so perfect in the wheel well. Once it settles, it's going to be gorgeous.
Hey gentlemen, ladies, I'm going to show you how to adjust valves. Actually the rockers on a non-hydraulic lifter 350. This guy is beautiful. Look at it. Inside's rough, but she's a gem. Just got done lowering it, did the spindles and drop kit. There you go. Some drop blocks. You won't front. Spindles dropped to 2 inches. We did the linkage on the front. Let me show you how to do this. So there is a way to use a feeler gauge and get a perfect gap right here in between the top of the valve and under the rocker. So this is an old beat up truck. I'm just gonna get it close, and usually it's very successful. It doesn't have to be perfect. This isn't a Porsche or an Audi. It's just a regular Chevy. Let me show you these things. See, that one super loose. That's better, but I don't know if it's under compression. I'm gonna have to pump the motor over to check. It's not terrible. But these Chevy 350s can take a beating. So these little guys are pretty cool. This is what you do with these. Anybody in the comments tell me what this is? I'm just kidding. I'm gonna show you what it is. So you see the little hole? A little hole under all this sludge. It's supposed to be squirting oil up to lube all of this. So take this. There's so much garbage. Well, here, we'll just do this one. See, there's set hole. It's right there. So you take the nipple and you put it in there. Just like that. So then you can run this thing with the valve covers off and adjust these accordingly. And we're just gonna do it by sound. Yep. So I'm gonna put the rest of these guys on. And this is what they look like. These are invisible ones, you just can't see them. Now, let's fire this thing up.